Hello guys, welcome to Knowledge Media. Today this is my third video of the Linux Administrator full course. So we already discussed the last video like basic fundamentals. So I have show like a copy paste and like a file structures, basic file structures of the Linux. And today we will discuss about the editors. So why I'm choosing editor first in this series, because we have already created empty file using a touch command. So we are not creating a empty file, we need to edit something contents on that file, and we need to check, we need to taste out that some other tasting and some other troubleshooting purpose. So that's why I'm choosing a editor first from the beginning playlist. So I'm right click on a terminal and click on open terminal. When you click on open terminal, it will be show the genome terminal, and we already discussed this is called a prompt, and every command it will be next to prompt. So I'm just doing a full screen, and if you are not visible, so I'm just increase font size or zoom it. Okay, so you already discussed like a date command, df-h command. So there is a some other command we already discussed. But now, we need to this command is clear. So clear command, it will be check the clear your terminal. Okay, so clear your terminals. See, this is the difference, df-h ls-l. So it will be clear your terminal, and control L is also there, control L is also there, control L, control L is also there. When you press the control L, so it will be clear. So again I'm typing a df-h and date command, so it will be show. Sorry, my mistake is that cls command is the using a Windows, and clear command is here for Linux purpose. But we can we can add alias name of the clear command as well as. So there is a command, so alias cls equal to, and which command you need to alias clear, enter. So when you see here, this is a cls command. Previous cls command is not working, command not found. Now cls command it will be work, because I have created what I have created alias of the clear command. So now you have a query, so clear command it won't work. No, it will be work here as well as. So very interesting now. So okay, don't be worry about this alias. So we will discuss the like upcoming videos. Okay. And one more thing, when I'm just typing a history, so it will be show everything. So what we need to clear the history as well as. So history space hyphen c, it will be clear the history. So when I'm just typing history, so it will be clear, but this is a temporary, it will be clear. But permanently, when you reboot your system and when you show the history command, it will be stored into bash history file. Okay, so you want to delete as well as. So there is a command is like a slash root dot bash underscore history, enter, and then it will be clear. So now I'm just okay, now we will go editor options. So firstly I need to create a like a touch files. So touch ebc, and it will be created the touch file. So when I'm just putting a ls-l, so it will be show there is a touch file is created. But you are confusing when where touch file is created. So don't confuse, just put a pwd commands present working directory is the touch file is created from the root directory. But I want to create a, I want to remove that one touch files using rm command. Yes, and then I want to go desktop. So it I want to go desktop. It won't come here. because there is a desktop D capital. Okay, D capital and tab, enter. And when you put ls hyphen l, so it will be show total, and pwd there is a root and desktop. Okay, so simply I'm using a cls command again for a clear your terminal screen, and then I want to create one more files is called abd, touch abd ls hyphen l. So abd file is created. So now I want to edit some contents, like using a cat command is also there. Abd I want to check the what content inside the abd files. So there is a no contents inside the abd files. So I want to edit something like gedit. The gedit also terminal of the genome terminal. So this is the like similar of the notepad. You are already using a windows machines like a notepad. So this is the similar of the gedit. So it's only supportable genome terminal, and it's only supportable server with GUI. Okay, when you type a gedit abd, so it will be show like a notepad similar of the notepad. So this is a testing files from gedit editor in Linux. So I want to save. So just click on a save options, and if you want to save, Control S is also similar of the Windows. And now I want to check the ls-l. So file is there, and modifications date is also changed, and I want to check the contents of the abd file. So this is a testing file from the gedit editor in a Linux. So this is gedit. So this is similar of the notepad in we already using on the Windows machines. So I'm just go into nano commands also there. Nano editor is also there. There is a nano editor also there. vi editor also there. vim editor also there. Okay, so echo you can add like using a cat command as well as, but we will discuss the upcoming video, because we need to discuss about the like redirections as well as input output and error redirection. So we will cover about cat, but there is a this is the not editors. Okay, this is the redirections. Okay, so Nano is not used as a, but sometime Ubuntu, some people is using Ubuntu. So by default, some file is opening on like only Nano. So we need to basic knowledge about the Nano, like how to save and how to just exit. That's it. So I want to I want to use a Nano and ABD enter. So it will be show like this here. So I want to editing, this is a testing file from nano. Okay, now I want to save. So here there is a command is control O, right, and file name to write abd, yes, enter. So file content is stored, but I want to exit. So control X, you can see here control X is there. And now I want to check the contents of the abd files. So this is a testing file from gedit in Linux. This is a testing file from nano. So nano is a, also editor, but we can discuss vi editor as well as, and vi space and file name enter. So now it's very useful. So please concentration on the vi. Okay, and vim also there. Vim is like we enhanced versions of the vi. So we can discuss the we can describe the difference between what is the difference between vi and vim. So we will discuss. Okay, firstly you can't be edit here because you need to press I for insert. Once you press I, so it will be change insert mode here. So after you need to edit that file. This is a testing file from VI. So now it's done, but there is a no options like a close. It will be close, but without saving your close your terminal. No, you need to escape. Escape button, first button, and colon W Q and explanation marks. W is write, Q is quit, and forcefully enter. So again, I want to check that contains cat abd enter. This is a testing file from VI editor. So here this is a similar of the like abd, but so what happened now? This is a similar. There is a no different, but this is the advance of editor from like a VI editors. So this is difference here, and we need to check the files contents etc passwd. You can see when I'm just opening a cat is etc passwd, it will be open in a terminal, but I'm using a slash vi slash etc passwd, then it's showing me okay like that similar of the cat. I want to quit. I don't want to save and quit. I want to only quit because we are not editing that. This is a system files, password files. So I'm using a vim etc passwd again, and this is the like highlighted text. So I'm using a vim editor for like a scripting purpose, because whenever we like any mistake in a like a scripting shell, scripting python, so it will be highlighted. So this is different. So this is the advanced level. We will discuss the thing whenever we need to do like some troubleshooting. We need to check out that log files. So we will discuss thing. Okay, so VI and Vim both are similar, but Vim is the advance of the editor. So I'm just opening a Vim again. ABD enter. So it will be open. So right now I want to go inside. So press again I, and then this is a testing file from Vim. I have already edited. Now I want to quit. So now what happened? It will be quit. It will be, it won't save your contents. See, again I will check the cat abd. It won't save because you already press the Q command. Now Q is quitting without save. You want to save, so command is there. Press again I. This is a testing files from vi vim. Okay, I want to save the contents, so file is saved. Now I want to quit. Q command. So I already saved that using a w command, and I after that I have written like a q command, so it's save and again quit. So again I'm just doing abd, so it will be show that contents as well as. So this is very easy, and we you need to focus on more of the Vim editors, vi and Vim editors. Okay, so I'm just doing again Vim enter. I need to copy and paste it. So there is a simply command. When you press I, here right click, copy, and again you need to paste here. So this is the thing you need to do. but it's a wrong way. You can't do here like this. I don't want to save. Again, I want to open. So now you are in a command mode. So whenever you in a command mode, so you need to this copy this line. So command is there yy is copied, and I want to paste p command. So this is a testing file from Nano. Yy I'm putting here yy on a beginning text yy, it will be copy. Yy means a young, is copied, and here I'm just pasting that contents like using a p is called put, like a paste here. So again I want to w and q and save it, and again I want to go and it will show here like this. But now I want to delete this content. So what you need to do, dd command. So just your cursor is here, just press the double d, so it will be delete using a double d. I want to delete the two lines, two dd, so it will be deleted two lines of the after that your cursors. I want to delete just x, like when you use the x, so it will be delete x, like delete button is also similar of the x. See, okay, so this is a very simple. I want to go like I want to check the undo is also like previous command, previous function you need to do. So you you can see there is a undo command. I want to redo command is control R. Again I need to quit and check again, and again I need to add this testing file for copy paste, and I want to save this contents as well as already it's at a newest change. And again I need to u command, so it will be clear. So undo is redo also there, control R, and I need to change like find and replace that editor. So slash, here you need to type a slash colon slash percentage. Sorry, you need to type a colon percentage and then search. S for is search. Which content you need to search? I need to search this. I want to replace this, and I want to add G option, so it will be group check, and then it will be replace, enter. So it will be replace substitute on a 5 lines. I want to save and quit. So WQ and forcefully it will be save and quit, and I want to open cat abd, enter. So it will be option. There is a one I have already uses colon percentage s, and then after search replace, and then G is a syntax for group groupation. Okay, so this is the command. So it's not like lots of the command is there, like whenever we opening that vi vim abd, so I need to like copy that contents. You okay, so what we do here, like select that content using a keyboard. So control V is a visual, so and shift, this is a copy, this is the selecting files. I need to copy yy and then paste again p p p, you can see here. So again I need to go, and v is this the control v is a visual block, and I need to save is only tt. No. Okay, is copy y, and then I want to go previous and this. See here, again I need to control v, and I need to copy only from to vim, rom to vim, and y is copy, y is copy, and then I need to paste using a p from to v. Now it's a copy, like using a like z, here you need to go like a z is a down, like a there is a keyboard option is also there, but you can use the using this command as well as now, like cursors, like open, and like here you need to do. There is a loss of the command like r k command as, but you can ignore this command. You have already know navigate na options like navigations from your keyboard, so you can ignore this thing as well as. Now we already discussed about this thing like a control v, and we already discussed the dd command. So I will check the dd is for deleting line, and yy is copy the line, and p is a paste or put, and control v, discuss like a visual block for like a selecting, and u is called undo, control r is called redo. So we discuss like this thing, and here you need to q is called quit without saving your file, and here w is called save your contents, and wq meaning of that this is a save and quit. Okay, so I need to protect your files as well as. So what command you need to do using like a x is also there. X is a protect your file. So using a vim abd enter. So I need to protect these contents. This is a case sensitive, so you need to control x and enter. So now it will be asking enter the encryption key. So enter. So your content is save with a protected, and I want to save and quit. So again when I'm just putting a vim abd, so it will be asking your password. When you type a password, correct password, then it will be open. So this is a very advanced of the editors. So please must use whenever you are in a Linux administrator. So please try to use the Vim. I don't think so. Gedit will be work, because sometimes in a live industry Linux administrator job, so it won't it's not possible to GUI. It's only minimal installations from your current company, MNC company, corporate companies as well as. So must use the Vim editor. And what happen if I want to check the cat space abd, it will be show? No, it won't show here. Like, see, there is encryptions. So when you click on vim abd enter, so it will be come, and then type a password, then it will be open. Now I want to remove this password. So what we do here, again I want to go vim, and you need to type a correct password. Now you want to save, again control x, sorry, colon x enter, and enter encryption. I don't want to set any encryption, enter. Again I don't want to save like a password, and I want to save and quit. So it will be saved without protections of the key files. We edit it, so it won't ask because I already removed that contents. Okay, so using x command is a protector your files. If you forgetted your password, so you need to crack your files, crack your passwords. And one more last command we need to use this thing like vabd enter. Now what happened now, we need to do lots of the where we like creating a shell scripting python files. So we confuse that, like sometime it will be show like that their line number xyz error, line number 5 error. So you can't check that line number fifth number and character is there. So you need to check that which line number. So set number enter. So it will be check 1 2 3 4 5. This is the number of the contents where you have got your error for in your shell scripting. So this thing as well as so you need to type colon set number or set num. This is for showing number on your files. So it's not contents, it will be show that like a numbers on your files. So I hope you understanding very well about this editor. So lots of the thing we already not cover, but basic thing we discuss about this thing, like how can we editing these contents. Okay, so that's why this is my purpose for like showing editors. So it's not like whenever you are putting like a editor, so where it's coming here when you putting a like cat command. So cat command abd enter, so it will be show the contents, but cat command is where it will become it cat commands. So where it's linux stored in a cat command. So you need to confirm which and cat which who am I. So I want to check the who am I, so it will be show the root which cat. So it will be show where it will become, it will become user bean and cat. So you need to check that. So go place usr, there's a usr slash bean and lots of the command here. It will be show, it will become, is loading. Wait, there is a lot of the command, thousand command is storing into this files. So if you want to check that, you need to type terminally like wait, cd slash usr slash bean enter ls hyphen l. When you put a ls hyphen l, so it will be show there is a loss of the command here. And when I'm just going to in a graphically, so it's a come here graphically. So this is the commands. Okay, you don't know like just ignore it as of now because you already discussed cat commands no. So I'm just navigate to cat commands. So cd also there na, cd command is also there. This is the come from this thing cal. cal is calculator. This is a cat commands. See, change command. There is a commands is storing into bin files, bin directory. I hope you understanding this thing how editor is working, how alias is working. I'm just simply doing like a alias that time. History also there, and we will discuss soft link and hard link in next video. So please share, like, and subscribe this channel as well as. Thank you for watching Knowledge.